Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Code Decode. And here is I am going to show you one of the trick related to pivot table. So as you can see, this data is related to one of the supermarket store, and there are different columns from A to M. So these are known as columns, and these are known as rows. So from 1 to 20, there are 20 rows and almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 columns. And in 13 columns, there are various categories which is there and we need to analyze. So to understand quickly this data by means of pivot table, first thing what we need to do, it is always useful to convert the data into the table mode. So you can click anywhere in this uh, data and then just press Control T, and it will show a create table. Where is the data for a table? It will show from A1, it is frozen from M20, and my table has headers. So of course your table has headers like university, branch, city, and everything. The best part with this data is as soon as you will delete or update any of the row or column, it will automatically increase the range for the pivot table. I am going to show you one of the example. So I have just clicked OK. Now you can say this data has converted into a table, and this is coming with the if you are going into the no table, here it is table which is coming. You can see there are different type of data table view where you can select. For example, these are banded rows. If you don't want this rows to be banded, you can just unclick it and it will give you a different view. If you want columns to be banded, you can do banded columns. And if you want first column and last column, so this will become bold so that you can leave. And if you want this row to be total, so you can see here total, it is coming again, and it is a lot of functions will be there. If you just click on this drop down menu, it will show average, count. Automatically it has taken count because this is not in numbers and these are in text. For example, if I want to see the unit price and how much is the average, I can just click and it will show like 57.429474 is the average unit price of these electronic accessories or different products. Now quantity, if I want to see like what is the maximum quantity, so as soon as I'll click, it will show 10. So okay, so this you can keep it for quick reference, or else you can uh, unclick it and it will go. Now this is banded rows. It was by default table property. You can also check out the different color as per your own uh, wish, or whatever you want to do it. If you are making some kind of data and which you want to look at more beautiful, you can do it with a different color options. So now here one option is already coming, summarize with pivot table, and this table name also you can change. I'll show you what is the uh, importance of giving this name to the table. I'll just give table name of like super or sales, whatever. I'll just give it sales and then just enter. Okay. So now summarize with pivot table, select a table or a range, and a table range automatically it is coming to sales. Okay. You can choose where to place the pivot table, new worksheet or existing worksheet. And by default, it will come into new worksheet. If you want to the pivot table into existing worksheet, you have to click it outside somewhere and then you can click OK. So I am just clicking the default option. Okay. And now here, all the column names which was there, so it will come into the field name. This you can put it into four different charts. One is for filter, another is column and rows. So Here you can put any of the categorical value, and this value part here you can put any of the numerical value. I'll just show you. Now, for example, you want to see it by product line. Click it, and it is coming count of product line. If I am putting it in rows, so you can see the different type of product lines are electronic accessories, fashion, food, health and beauty, home and lifestyle, sports and travel. And then quantity, you can put it in the value, or by default it will take either sum. You can always change it into count or average also. You can just click it here, and then you can change. Okay, so here by clicking at field settings, you can do count, average, maximum, minimum, whatever you want to do. So okay, so now there are some different things also for gender, for electronic accessories. Now, how many female customers are there? How many male customers are there? Now, if you want to go by different product line, and if you want each and every different product line have a different kind of sheet, there is also a shortcut. I will just show you. So just put customer type. Now female, and female, how many member, how many normal, and then whatever you want to put. Now payment mode also you can put. So now you can see it is like from product line, gender, customer, everything, it is coming like this. And from here, by whatever categorical value you want to make a sheet. For example, I am just making product line in filter. So now you can see this product line has come here on the top, and it is coming to the filter value. And you can always change the pivot table look into a different options. I'll just go into the design. I'll report layout. I'll select in tabular format. So now it will be coming into different column. Subtotals, if you want to keep, you can keep it. If you don't want, you just click don't show subtotals, and it will show it in a compact form, like female, gender, and customer type is member or normal, how many cash or card e-wallet transaction they have done. Now the trickiest part is pivot table analyze. You can go here. Now you can click here options. 1 second. Now show report filter pages. Now show all pages off. So whatever categorical value you will be putting into the filter part, that will be showing here. So as soon as I'll click OK, you see what happened. So there will be automatically a different kind of sheet by the different kind of product line which was there, and it will show you the different sheets. So this you can analyze one by one, and it will be easy for you. And this was the main pivot table where we have made by product line and gender and customer type. And so this was one of the shortcut where you can always go and do as per your own wish or as per your own requirement, whatever data you want to filter accordingly. So I hope this was useful for you. So do like, share, and subscribe. I will give you some more tricks on the pivot table next time. So thank you for being with me, and please like, share, and subscribe.